Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the Digitech RP90. Coming up. The RP90 guitar modeling processor is powered by the AudioDNA A2 processor and features 12 amp types, 8 cabs, 6 distortions, 32 effects, and a drum machine built with 100 digital presets. Alright, so if you want to use a tuner, all you have to do is push down both buttons and hold till you see TU, which means tuner. Now, you can use the tuner. So to get out of the tuner mode, all you have to do is click, and you're out of there. Same thing if you're using an effect. If you want a clean signal, you simply tap, clean signal all through. And to remove the bypass, just click. Keep in mind, most of these from 50 and down, you can edit the effects. So you can add or remove tremolo, distortion, phaser, etc. 51 and up, those are presets that are just solid. You cannot do anything to them. You can't edit, you can't delete, they just remain the same. All right, so we're gonna do a quick rundown of each effect. there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, rock that notification bell for more future videos like this one. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.